I'm so excited. Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Who is it? It's me, appletapple, and today I give you a wish haul video. I've been watching a lot of Mia Maples and she has a lot of wish haul videos. Then I was like, okay, I gotta go on the website and check it out and see what I can get. But I said to myself that I'm not going to buy as much stuff as I did when I started to collect things or to hoard things. So I thought, okay, maybe I can look for merchandise, and that's what I did. I will bring you a lot of My Hero Academia merch. I have a few items and I'm going to check if it's like the online versus expectation versus reality. And I'm so excited. I actually ordered these last year and a little bit of other stuff as well because I got addicted to shopping again online. Especially on Wish, they have a lot of very unique items and I liked a lot of them. So there might be some content for a few Wish haul videos, but I'm gonna check how I like this one because I already filmed one haul video and I'm not that satisfied with it, so we'll see. But hey, this is merch, so let's dive right in. First, we have a small package. Ooh, so this is one of the keychains. Shoto. Look, acrylic keychain. Oh, I think it looks really good. It looks good quality as well. I'm surprised. Nice.
Damn you, camera.
There is no code whatsoever on the print itself, so this could cause problems or make it disappear quickly. Okay, next up, I think it's a keychain again. So this was shipped in January. Oh, it's another keychain. Who would have thought? But it's not packed as the other one. Are you serious? That's like the worst. Ah.
1 out of 10 for bubble wrap.
So this is quite similar, but it's Izuku. What is this like protective wrap or is it part of the keychain? Besides from that, it looks kind of the same. So this is how the second keychain arrived in bubble wrap and this plastic. There is this coat. Is it supposed to be there? It's strange because it's bubbly. You can tell there's air underneath, but I can't seem to get it off. Oh, there it is.
I'm waiting for it to focus.
Okay, so the same with this keychain. So this was just for protection. There is no coat or something. This is just a print, but I think it looks good. It really looks good. Though the other side, wait, or is it protection again?
Oh, there it is. I think I can get it off. Yes.
Oh, it's really shiny. I think this quality is better now that I have a closer look. The shade's the same though. Like there's no huge difference. Okay, next up, let me guess. A keychain. This was shipped in January. Oh, it's a pin. Kiro. This one looks really good. It looks like good quality. I mean, the color is a little bit odd, but otherwise, nice pin. You immediately, oh my gosh, you immediately recognize her, so I guess it's good. But let's take a closer look as well. Here we have Tsuyu as pin. Wait, focus on her, please. Reason that I picked her as a pin is because for me she's the most relatable girl character.
Oh.
The color is a little bit fading, but it seems good quality. You can use that if you put it on your clothing, or you can use the ordinary one. So I like this too. Okay, let's continue with a bigger item, which is a t-shirt. Oh, so I got a size medium. So this t-shirt was all over the website. It's probably polyester only, but I just liked it so much, and I have a guppy bag, so I hope it's okay. Polyester and spandex.
That was a very plus ultra of you. Cocoon tour guy.
Oh, I like it, but why did I order a size medium? Oh yeah, because you have to size up. Feels like it will fit me just fine. The print looks good, I guess. I wonder how long it'll stay. It will have to stay for a long time. And also what I do when I wash delicate clothing, I turn all of my clothing inside out and wash it like this, just that the print on the clothing will stay longer, or zippers and stuff won't put damage to the clothing. Here it says polyester 95% and spandex 5%. I'm going to show you the shirt on my body. This one is the most fun of all. That's why I saved it to be the last item that I'm going to show you. Ooh, it's actually kind of soft. What the heck? Aizawa sensei.
Razor head.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay. Comment down below who your favorite character is, but not only your favorite, but also the character that is the most like you, who resembles your personality. And if I have to describe myself with the characters, definitely Aizawa sensei and Tenya. And I know it's a bad thing to say. It's not really a bad thing, but I guess people would not expect me to say that those are like the characters that describe me the most, but they actually are. Yeah. It is. I mean, sometimes I'm very hyped and fun, so who else would I be? I don't know. I gotta tell you, I really did not expect this. It's actually really soft. I expect it to be very bad quality, but the zipper is good too. Looks kind of bad quality from the inside. This is my new favorite pillow. It's an invisible zipper and it actually zips. Believe me, cheap zippers can be really annoying, especially on shoes.
Covers inside out, and then grab them by the corners. I'm struggling. I'm destroying my whole setup.
We don't know what material the pillowcase is, because there's no label indicating the fabric, but it's probably polyester.
So.
Damn! This is like mood. This is 2020 mood. First thing I'm going to do is throw these two in the washer. When they color fabric, there are some kind of chemicals that are not that healthy. Wait, outro. I'd say My Hero Academia merchandise, everything was pretty good. Yeah, I am very happy with all the products. That was a good haul. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully I can all film them and edit them and put them here. So okay, I have no idea how outros work. If you like what you see, if you want to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button to let me know.
You like what you see?
Oh, I was thinking about uploading an ASMR video on my YouTube channel when I hit 100 subscribers. So if you want to see that, make sure to maybe spread the news. I filmed this 2 months ago.
But I am too chicken to actually edit and publish it. I enjoyed filming it, so I don't have to be chicken about it.
I know that, but still, I'm not as comfortable with everything, but I'm really trying. So, let's get there. If you like gaming content, make sure to follow me on Twitch as well. I have other socials too. See you next time. Bye!